What's up, today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on dollar yen. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see from the lower time frame perspective, dollar yen giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market. And then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade dollar yen. Looking at first of all monthly time frame. Now, from the monthly perspective, we see that dollar yen is long term bullish market. Now, from the historical perspective, we see that dollar yen starting from this monthly level of support created this big monthly impulsive move to the upside. Now, with that monthly impulse, the price created this historically high price, followed by back to back 3 months. We have seen that dollar yen has created this downward movement, which is a significant retracement of this move to the upside. Now, currently, we see that after 3 months of drop, dollar yen has come to this very important monthly level of support, created an overextended market to the downside, tested this 20 EMA, and from that zone, we have seen this month the sellers couldn't create any new lower low. Instead, we have seen this bullish move. Now, as you can see, now the lower time frame is merging with the higher time frame on dollar yen. We can expect now a strong bullish move in this market to create a new higher high. So from the monthly perspective, now we can expect dollar yen to go up further to create a new momentum. Now, if we take our Fibonacci for this downward movement to the downside, we see that dollar yen still did not reach 38.2%, which is the minimum Fibonacci level, and we can expect at least to go reach ahead and test this level from the higher time frame perspective. If we look at weekly time frame to see how it is doing, now we saw that the previous week there was a long bullish engulfer that doesn't have any wick at the bottom, and also there is a little bit of wick at the top. That's the sign that this candle is a huge volume in it. Now, this week we saw that the price couldn't make any downward movement. We saw that as soon as market open after a little retracement, dollar yen now pushing high, because as you can see every week the price creating series of higher high and higher low, and there is a strong liquidity gap here as well on dollar yen, followed by a doji, which is highly likely that this candle also will go up and will create highly likely that a new higher high. So from the monthly and weekly perspective, we see that significant bullish movement in dollar yen. Now, if we look at the daily time frame to see how it is doing, we see that basically on the daily perspective as well, there was a strong liquidity gap with this daily doji that in fact starting up a new uptrend. We have seen that there was a downtrend quite a few days, and then consolidation, perfect change of trend, and has broken out from this consolidation with this impulse, tested the previous resistance here, support here as a support, and even penetrated towards the downside. From this order block, dollar yen has broken to the upside. Now we saw that there was a couple of days of narrower consolidation. That's the bullish market structure, and we see that the bears couldn't make any new lower low from this support. And we see now on the daily perspective, dollar yen is pushing high. Then how we can find trading opportunity? Looking at further lower time frame for an entry opportunity, we see that there is a 20 EMA retest in this level from this support zone here. Now dollar yen grabbed liquidity and has broken out of this local structure. We see there is an inverted head and shoulder, and then has broken out with this current sessions candle, which is in fact significant bullish candle. What we can expect now, dollar yen at some point on the lifetime of this candle or later, the price to come back and test this previous resistance here, which is turning support here, that can give us a suitable entry opportunity on dollar yen. So as soon as we will find suitable entry opportunity on dollar yen to take this move to the upside, we'll consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading dollar yen. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.